How to connect Facebook Pixel to WordPress website. Friends, today I will show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to a WordPress website. In the tutorial, I will show the complete method step by step. For this, first come to facebook.com. After that, click on See More. Then click Ads Manager. Click Get Started after that. Following that, the business details should be provided. After that, click on Next. Then click Next again. The next step is to choose the payment method. In this case, select Not Now. Next is the campaign setup. In this case, select Online Traffic. After that, click on Next. Then click Create Campaign. After Facebook Ads Manager is fully loaded, go to Events Manager to set up Facebook Pixel on the website. For this, click on All Tools. From here, select Events Manager. After that, click on Continue. Then click on Connect Data. Here in Profile mode, only the app can be selected. Here to select Web, go to Page Status. But if you want to select the page, we will see that our page is not here. For this, we need to open the Business Manager account on the page. Visit https://business.facebook.com/overview to find out more. You can then create an account by clicking Create an Account. After that, you have to give the account name and email address here. Then click on the Submit button. After that, the Meta Business account of your page will be created here. You will then return to Meta Event Manager. After that, you will see here that our page does not have a business account. Reload the page once to bring business to the page here. You will then see your page's business portfolios. After that, select it from here. Then click on Connect Data. After that, select the web here. Then select Connect. Then give your website's name here. After that, click on Create. After that, you have to give the URL of the website here. Then click on Next. After that, select Get Guidance from here and click on Next. Then click on Next. After that, close it from now on. The next step is to go to the Gather Website Events from Browser Activities section and click on Setup Meta Pixel. After that, click on Continue Pixel Setup. Click on Connect after selecting Meta Pixel from here. After that, click on Install Code manually. Click on Copy Code and copy the complete code. Then you will come to your WordPress website control panel. After that, you will come to the plugin option. After that, click on Add New Plugin. After that, search here for WP code. Then install and activate the WP code plugin. After activating WP code, you will come to the header and footer section. Then paste the Meta Pixel code here. After that, click on Save Changes. After pasting the code on the website, come back to the Set Up a New Pixel section. Then click on Continue. After that, click on Go to Pixel Overview. You will then see your dataset has not received any activity. It will take 30 minutes or so for the data to arrive here. To see if the Facebook Pixel is properly set up on the website, search Facebook Pixel Helper on Google. After that, you will see Meta Pixel Helper first in the search results. Click Add to Chrome. Next, visit the website to see if the Facebook Pixel is properly set up on the website. When we visit our website, we will see one in Meta Pixel Helper. This means the meta pixel has been properly set up on our website. Here you can see in the pixel ID, in both cases there is 40,050 at the end. That is, the pixel ID matches. Here the page view is showing mark, it means unable to collect any data. It may take 30 minutes or more for the data to arrive here. 38 minutes later. If I visit the website after that, I will see that it is collecting data. We can collect this data from the account.